Rural Man Life Studio Yard Studio. All right, so pretend this is your most advanced whatever video game console, X whatever, this whatever, I don't know what terminology because I'm not part of that video game. In fact, when I was raised on our ranch in Northern California, my mom and dad banned all forms of video games from the house and from the ranch. So this, you need to get rid of it. You need to replace that with this. Welding gear. Welding gloves, welding rod, and your standard welder. And if you get really good at the small arc that you get your local hardware store or tool store that starts with an H, you can advance to that, which is the older Kohler generator welder that puts out a lot more heat. All right, so we are going to take this. If you can't sell it, guess what you're going to do with it? You want to live out in rural, wherever, America, anywhere in the world, you got to pick up this, get rid of that, or sell it off.